This is one story that will shock you because according to the World Health Organization's report, more than half the doctors in India don't have any medical qualification. We're talking about allopathic doctors. According to this report, more than half of allopathic doctors in India don't have any medical qualification. In rural areas, just 18.8% of the allopathic doctors are qualified. Almost one-third of those who claim to be allopathic doctors in 2001 were educated only up to just secondary school level. 57% did not even have medical qualifications. 60% Ayurvedic doctors are qualified. Homeopathy, the figure stands at 41.8%. This is according to the WHO report. Unani doctors is about 45.8%. But it's the allopathic area where the normal doctors you're talking about, in dentists as well, 42.3%. And your WHO report suggests that in allopathy, more than half of allopathic doctors in India don't have any medical qualifications. Alindo is joining us on this story. Alindo, this is a shocking revelation. It's an alarm bell for the healthcare sector, a wake-up call also for the medical fraternity to check the quacks that are operating without any hindrance.
Well, Devina, calling it alarming probably is an understatement, because this is one shocking report that should make the government wake up to this need of, make sure that the doctors that treat our patients are qualified enough to treat them. Half of them, that is very shocking, half of them, all the allopathic doctors are not qualified, medically doesn't have any medical education. And most importantly, when you talk about allopathic doctors in rural area, it's less than 20% who are qualified, 18.8%. That's shocking. I mean, because we have a huge amount of land in India which falls under rural belt. So that's a massive amount of 80% at least still live in rural areas. So 80% are treated by almost by doctors of whom at least less than 20% are properly qualified to treat them. So that's a wake-up call, and particularly coming at a time, you remember a few months back when it happened, so that 3 girls committed suicide in Chennai because they were not allowed. They were not getting proper. The complaint was that they were not getting proper education in spite of bribing their way to a college in Chennai.
Absolutely, and it's a big question mark there, Anand. It's a big question mark not only on the infrastructure and also the route for medical examinations, the medical seats, and how many doctors are able to sit for the exams, and also on the gross medical negligence and the rising number of medical negligence cases that we have reported as well. And that is because of this report that says 57% of allopathic doctors in India do not have medical qualification.